Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with my friend. Say hi. You can't see her because she's on the phone with me. But anyway, we're going to be playing Royal High. And I'm going to show you some tips and tricks just to get diamonds real quick.
Yeah, it's also really good for the new players and the people who really want Valentine's Day stuff.
Yeah, for example, I'm saving up for the elegant parasol. She already has the elegant parasol. But anyways, you can't see, you could see me, but I can't see you because we're in game now. But anyways, so my name is Ari, and Jaylani is over here.
That's me.
Yeah. So as you could tell, we have saved up a lot with these diamond farming tricks. And the most trick that I really recommend is to get a private server and go to Earth and farm a lot.
Yeah, because that's what we've been doing, and that's how we've gotten stuff like this. Also, I have something I recommend you daily.
Yes?
You go to the fountain every time you can, and you always check on it. You always, once in a while, go home, check on your energy. You do Sunset Island a lot, and you go to the wheel every time you can as possible.
Okay, and these are some tips and tricks. She has the whole Dear Dolly set, the whole Miss Lady Rose, the whole Princess Starfrost, and she has the elegant parasol, and she has a lot of Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I'll tell you how many accessories I'm missing that are on sale.
I'm missing a lot because I'm saving up for the elegant parasol, and I'm on a way lower level than her.
I'm missing 3.
Okay, so anyways, what we're gonna be doing is, so this is for people that are on like higher levels, like in the hundreds, and then the 200s, and then the 300s, and so on.
Yeah, because she's level. What level are you? You're in the hundreds, right?
143.
And I'm 214.
Yeah. So, anyways, first off, we're gonna start with going to our bed and sleeping because you level up from that.
I'm just gonna go get a sleeping bag.
Yeah.
That's what I do. It's also, the sleeping though is also really good for new players because it's an easy way for them to level up instead of going to school.
Yeah, because going to school is too much work. You have to go to school, do all the classes, but yeah, you could just come to your apartment and sleep.
And you'll get level up and you earn diamonds. Also, one thing I recommend is when you get Robux, buy the multipliers. They help me out so much.
Yeah, today I'm going to be buying them in this video. I'm buying the first multiplier because I don't have enough for the second multiplier. And she has all the game passes, so she knows everything. And I only have some of the game passes. I'm missing 2. And now that I'm buying one, I'm going to miss one. So I have 100%. And see how my bar went up? That's because I slept. And next time I'm going to do that again.
Yeah, and also you can get daily lobbies. Mine's in an hour, so I can't show you that.
Yeah, mine. So, and then also always check for your town wheel and your fountain of dreams. Just like right now, I can do the town wheel in 24 minutes.
Yeah, I can do it right now, but I decided to wait.
Okay, so the next trick is to
go to Sunset Island like every time you play. It's not really that good for new players. I recommend new players to go level up a few times, get some new accessories, and then you can start there.
Yeah, but right now we're about to go to Earth so we could go farm some diamonds.
Yep, I'm gonna take the teleporter since this elevator is literally broken.
Yeah. So, anyways, while we're teleporting to Earth, the best place that you could go to get a bunch of diamonds is,
Enchanted Pie.
That's what I was about to say. So we are in our in my private server. Don't mind that my skin is red. It's just because I'm Cranberry Sprite Chill. So you can't still my skin turn red. Oh my god, Maya, you don't have a weave on.
I need to fix that.
Her weave just got snatched.
There, does it look better now?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, anyways. So I'm going to do the fountain of wheels in 20
there's one thing I want to show for the new players. You should come and get these lunar
Okay, so what we're gonna call each other, I'm gonna call her Moon because her username is Moonlight something something something, and my username is xHoneybear. And x_honey_bear x. So she's gonna call me Honey or Bear. So that way we don't have to use our real names.
Yeah, because we don't really like giving private information away.
And guys, tell me if you liked the last video of our roleplay moving to Bloxburg.
Yeah, I know we haven't posted in a while, but
It's just because we've been really busy and stuff. But anyways, I recommend going in here because sometimes there's a diamond right here that's worth 20, or sometimes at 10, and then back here sometimes there's a hidden diamond.
Yeah.
But we have to wait a second for all of them to spawn. Like for a second, like right now I just got this red diamond and it gave me 10.
Yeah.
And right now I have 15,279 diamonds.
And right now I just have 525 because I just got this adorable little bear.
I bought this last night. Right, like literally 2 minutes after it came out.
Yeah, I wasn't able to though due to I wanted to buy one of the crazy and love glasses.
Speaking of glasses, I have my heart glasses on right now.
I'll put mine on so we can twist.
Okay. So this is my outfit. I have the Princess Star. I have 2 things from the Princess Starfrost: the Dear Dolly Tea Party bow, the teddy bear, the Miss Lady Rose bodice, and the Enchanting Heel Room skirt.
Alright, well I'll tell you guys what I have on. Dear Dolly ribbon heels, the Dear Dolly skirt, Dear Dolly lace corsets, the heart glasses, the pom-pom beanie, and Dear Dolly gloves, and this adorable teddy bear, of course.
Yeah. So anyways, I'm saving up for Elegant Parasol, all the Valentine's Day stuff, which is probably not gonna happen. And I'm also saving up for the Dear Dolly set.
Yeah, and guys, just to let you know, you better hurry up because it's only on sale till Valentine's Day.
Well,
That's
the Elegant Parasol is only on sale till Valentine's Day.
yeah,
But everything else is available.
till March 1st.
Yes.
So,
No,
that's
it's 28 days. And yeah, March 1st. It goes off sale on March 1st.
yeah. And then St. Patrick's Day is gonna be there, and then I want to know the first thing I'm gonna be buying. The mismatched socks.
I was thinking that I heard that and I was like, mismatched socks.
I know because they're so cute and they're really good for like pretending you're cool and stuff. For like socks.
And also, she has these cute little sneakers, and she could put them on. Here, look.
Here, let me put them on for you guys. They're in the boys' shoes, but I just think they go really good. Also with the Sky Mission. They're called the King League kits. If you want, you can crystal ball to get a better look of them.
Okay. I'm not very good at crystal ball, guys. Sorry. I'm new at this. I just got the pack. Oh, we're going underground.
Alright, well, show them the pieces.
So what we could do is we could just go like this, page down. There we go. Those are the heels right there. So those are the heels, and then you can put the socks on, and it will be super duper cute.
Yeah.
Okay, our next farming tip is we are about to go to Enchantix High,
Which is, aka the best place to farm. You're not going to see both of us, though.
Maybe. Sometimes it works. Because we're in private servers, so it sometimes takes us like 2 places. And by the way, yes, this is a laptop, but so it's connected to my monitor, but you guys can still see me, but I can't see you.
Yay, we're in the same server.
Oh yay, I'm still recording, so that's good. And we only have 15 minutes, so we're going to pause the recording, and we're going to get some diamonds, and all you have to do is just collect diamonds around the map. So we'll see you in like, I don't know, a few minutes. Hey guys, so we're back, and I just wanted to come back for a second because I'm about to buy the multipliers. So,
Yeah, so there's a little cut in this video.
just this, and then we're going to put some more tips and tricks. And by the way, there's probably going to be part 2 because I don't have much time.
Yeah,
So
so
let's
there's
buy
probably
this.
going to be part 2.
Okay. I don't have enough Robux.
Huh?
I don't have enough Robux.
Well, guys, that's a wrap for this fail. She doesn't have any Robux.
I need 11 more Robux.
Go ask your parents for 11 more Robux.
Wait, how much money do I have on my card thing?
Check.
Guys, I don't know how to check. Okay, guys, we'll be right back because we ran into a little issue.
She was supposed to buy the multipliers, but she needs 11 more Robux.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back and I have to buy Robux because I don't have enough. But
Maybe you should get back because they could see your credit card information.
oh yeah, true. So I'll see you in a second because I can't blur. I'm not that skilled. Back, and I bought the Robux, but Jayani is read her name. It's just amazing. Okay, so I'm about to buy the pass.
Did I hear you say you're about to buy the pass? Help me!
I said I'm about to buy the pass. How much more Robux do I need to get the 4th one? 501 Robux. Okay, but that's fine. So we're just gonna get this one. Finance. So we have double diamonds now.
Well, you do. I have pleasure.
Okay, so now let me just go collect the diamonds, see how it works out. And then we are going to go to a public server and do some Sunset Island. Ooh, this is really good.
When you get more Robux, you're probably going to buy the next one, right?
Yeah. This is very helpful.
Yeah, I recommend starting off with the cheapest one.
Oh my god, there's so many diamonds. When we play back this, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh. There was like a big blob of diamonds.
I know, there's so many diamonds. You can get the green one.
Okay. 20 diamonds. Alright, so as you can see, I just gave like 100 diamonds just in like not even a minute. That's why you really need the multipliers. But anyways, we are gonna switch to a public server, so we'll see you there. Okay, we're back, and I have the multipliers, and we are back to Sunset Island.
Yeah!
Oh my. Okay, anyways,
Yeah.
we're at Sunset Island right now. Look, someone has the elegant parasol. You do too, but
I'm not wearing it since you don't want me to.
yes, but I can't tell a stranger. Me at where the pageant is. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Girl squad. Okay. There's so many random people. We only have 14 minutes. 1 minute left. So.
Wait, look.
Oh guys, I'm sorry about my webcam. I have to move it.
Look what I just said.
More like, stinky squad. Okay, I gotta go. There's so many weird people here.
Stinky.
Okay guys, so we're gonna see you in the part 2. So,
Yeah, since we only have like a few seconds left.
okay, well, bye. I love you guys. Peace
See you in
out.
part 2.
Peace out, my bears.